Thanks for following along, and let's get to it. This is just plain coco coir using plain tap water. Gonna bed our seeds in this coco coir, see what happens. First up is the parsley seeds, then the coriander, and then the chives. Please visit my channel and check out some of my other videos in the playlist Grow series. Gonna give them a little spritz of water and set them in a nice warm area. Day 7 and the chives have all sprouted. I need something to put in the system once I harvest this Swiss chard. New parsley has come up and the coriander is missing in action. So we'll give them a little bit more time and we'll check back in 7 days. It's day 14 and they're all sprouted. And they're looking good, right on track. Gonna give them another 7 days and then transfer them into the grow machine. Today we're putting in 2 types of basil cuttings, sweet basil and Thai basil. Also transplanting our chives, coriander and parsley into the system. So let's get started. It's day 25 and they're looking good. Reservoir temp sitting at 70 degrees, pH 6.6. We're 7 days in on this sweet basil and the roots are incredible. Same with the Thai basil. They're all looking good. It's day 31, outside temp 91, inside temp 79. Reservoir temp 70, pH sitting at 6.6. Things are rolling along just fine. You can also see the root structure, they're taking off. Good times, bad times, hard times. This is a valuable tool to grow your vegetables indoors and feed your family. I am a little worried about the chives because the roots seem to be struggling, but we'll give them more time and see what happens. It's day 34, reservoir temp at 71, pH at 6.4, outside temp 96, inside 79. The sweet basil and the Thai basil are looking good. I have 2 rows of coriander and they're taking off as well. I have 1 row of parsley and 1 row of chives. Well, it's day 40 and things are looking good. Except for these. Some people would call this a fail. It's 104 degrees outside, 79 to 80 degrees inside. Reservoir temp sitting at 72, pH 6.4. It's day 43, outside temp 105, inside 79 to 80 degrees. pH holding at 6.6, reservoir temp 70 degrees. Now we need to top off our reservoir. These plants are a lot bigger and they're starting to take up a lot of water. This is just some tap water. I'll let it sit for 24 to 48 hours and you can see the tap water is reading 7.8 pH. I need to get it down to 6.5. So let's add a little pH down and get it down to our target pH. After that, we're just gonna add it to our reservoir. Okay, this is an hour after I added that water to the reservoir. Remember, I checked the pH of the reservoir and it was 6.6. I'm gonna adjust the top off water and pH it below 6.5. So when I add it to the reservoir, hoping it'll level out at 6.5. I'd rather be lucky than good any day. Okay folks, it's day 48. Outside temp 95 degrees. Inside 78 degrees, and everything is looking good. Today we're gonna harvest and we're gonna talk about the chives that didn't do very well in the system. After harvesting all these herbs, you can just let them go and they'll grow right back. Now let's talk about the chives. This is just my opinion, but I think the chives did not like the pH level. No fails folks, only lessons in this video. Overall, this grow was a great success, and if you have learned anything and liked this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.